What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to delete your browser cache on Google Chrome. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. On your mobile device, open up the Chrome app. On the bottom right of your screen, tap on the burger menu and select Settings. Under Privacy, tap on Clear Browsing Data. You have the option to select what you'd prefer to delete. Set the time range to your liking before tapping on Clear Browsing Data, which will take a second to delete your browser cache. To clear your browser cache on your PC, navigate to your Chrome settings by clicking on the burger menu on the top right and selecting Settings. Here, search for Cookies and select Clear Browsing Data. In the Basic tab, you can check or uncheck some of these options. More are available to you in your Advanced tab. You might want to keep your password and other sign-in data saved by your browser, as well as your site settings. Your cached images and files are most likely taking up the most space on your PC, and clearing this data will delete your browser cache. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.